Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the PowerExtra NP-FW50 replacement batteries. You'll receive the dual battery charger, 2 batteries, and a cleaning cloth. The charger is made of plastic and has 2 charging bays. They are labeled CH1 and 2, which correspond to the left and right sides of the LCD display. On the back of the charger is a built-in USB cable for power, and it stores neatly in the bottom. It measures about 7 inches long. At the top of the charger is a micro USB input port for use with a longer cable, or as backup in case the built-in cable fails. Here are the 2 batteries compared with the NP-FW50 battery that came with my Sony a6300 mirrorless camera. The batteries are physically identical, but the capacity of the replacement batteries is higher at 1500 mAh versus the 1020 mAh capacity of the OEM battery. To charge the batteries, push them into the bays until they click, then plug in the charger. While charging, the LCD lights up and there's an animation for each battery. When charging is complete, the LED shuts off, and the batteries show all 4 bars. Both the batteries work fine with my Sony a6300. Since I film a lot in 4K, I go through a lot of batteries fairly quickly, and these 2 have been really helpful in extending my shooting sessions. While I haven't noticed that they last terribly longer than the OEM battery, I get about 30 to 45 minutes of continuous shooting from each one. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.